Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Sulaiman Educational Channel. In this video, we will be talking about check digit. We'll discuss about what a check digit is and how to calculate check digit. The seventh type of validation check is the check digit. A check digit is the final digit included in a code. It is calculated from all the other digits in the code. Check digits are used for barcodes, product codes, international standard book numbers, which is also called as ISBN, and vehicle identification numbers, also called as VIN. Check digits are used to identify errors in data entry caused by mistyping or misscanning a barcode. Now we will discuss the type of error which a check digit can detect. The first type of error which a check digit can detect is an incorrect digit entered. It means that you have mistyped a number in place of another number. For example, you have to type 5327, but instead of typing 5327, 5307 has been typed. So 2 has been mistyped for 0. So the check digit will detect this error that an incorrect digit has been entered. The second type of error which a check digit can detect is the transposition error. It means that the placement of the number has been interchanged. For example, we have to type 5037, but instead of typing 5037, we have mistyped by 5307. So over here, 03 has been misplaced by 30. So the position of 3 and 0 has been interchanged. So a check digit can detect this type of error, and this type of error is called the transposition error. The third type of error which a check digit can detect is the omitted digit. Omitted digit means that one digit has been left out. One digit or more than one digit has been left out or been omitted. For example, 5037 has to be typed, but instead of typing 5037, 537 has been typed. Over here, 0 has been omitted, 0 has been left out. So this type of error a check digit can detect. The fourth type of error which a check digit can detect is the extra digit. Extra digit means that one or more digit has been typed extra. For example, we have to type 5037, but instead of typing 5037, 50,371 has been typed. So 1 is the extra digit. 1 is an additional digit that has been typed. So a check digit can detect this type of error, which is known as the extra digit. The fifth type of error which a check digit can detect is the phonetic error. Phonetic error means the sound. For example, instead of typing 30, we have typed 13 because 30 and 13 sometimes have the same sound. So due to this sound, due to the phonetic error, the mistake has been done in typing. Another example is 15 and 50. So 15 has been mistyped by 50 due to the sound error. Mistakes in sound is known as phonetic error. Now we will discuss the calculation of check digit. Before understanding, let's give an example of ISBN. So over here in the diagram, you can see that there are 13 digits. 9780340983829. Out of this 13 digit, the last digit, which is 9, is the check digit. Now we will understand the placement. So there are two placements, one is the odd position and the other is the even position. So you can see in this another diagram, the one that is highlighted in red, that is the odd position digits, and the one that are highlighted in blue are the even digits, even position digits. The last digit which is circled is the check digit. So the first step is add all the odd number digits together excluding the check digit. That is, add all the numbers which are highlighted in red, that is 9 plus 8 plus 3 plus 0 plus 8 plus 8 plus, and the result is 36. That is the step 1. Step 2, add all the even number digits together and multiply the result by 3. From the diagram, you can see that add all the numbers that are highlighted in blue, that is 7 plus 0 plus 4 plus 9 plus 3 plus 2. Then the result is 25. The next step is multiply 25 by 3. So that is 25 into 3, we get the result by 75. The third step is to add the result from 1 and 2 together and divide by 10. So from step 1, 36 is the answer. Step 2, 75 is the answer. So 75 plus 36 divided by 10 is equal to 11, and the remainder is 1. The last step is to take the remainder. If it is 0, use this value. Otherwise, subtract the remainder from 10 to find the check digit. So, in step number 3, the remainder was 1. So, 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. So, the check digit is 9. So, this is how the check digit is calculated. Now, we will discuss whether the check digit is correct or not. How to find that the check digit given is correct or not. So again, the 4 steps are the same. So let's repeat it. The first step is add all the odd number digits together including the check digit. Over here you have to include the check digit. So all the numbers which are highlighted in red are added along with the check digit. So 9 plus 8 plus 3 plus 0 plus 8 plus 8 plus 9. The result is 45. The second step is to add all the even number of digits together and multiply the result by 3. So from the diagram, all the ones that are highlighted in blue should be added. That is 7 plus 0 plus 4 plus 9 plus 3 plus 2. The result is 25. So 25 multiplied with 3, the result is 75. So this is step 2. The third step is to add the result from 1 and 2 together and divide by 10. The answer from 1 is 45 and the answer from step 2 is 75. So add 75 and 45 divided by 10, the answer is 12 and the remainder is 0. This is step number 3. The last step is the number is correct if the remainder is 0. If in step 3 the result is 0, then the last step is that the error, that the check digit calculated is correct. Otherwise, there is an error, there is a mistake in calculating the check digit. This is the end of the video. If you haven't subscribed the channel, then do so by clicking the button. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get notification of the latest videos uploaded on our channel. Don't forget to like, comment and share our videos. You can also follow us on our Facebook page. The link is given in the comment section. We will meet again soon with a new video. Thanks for watching. Take care and Allah Hafiz.